be happy is relatively easy. Just decide to be a happy person. The choice is simple really, choose to be happy. Suffering is optional. Once you make the choice to be happy, your world will change to accommodate what it is you want, and you will find being a happy person easier to do than you first thought. Abraham Lincoln once said most people are about as happy as they make up their minds to be. Decide today that you are the best person to make you happy and find ways to do that. Remember that no one can make you happy. Your happiness lies more in your hands than it does anyone else. Thinking he should, she should, they should make you happy puts your life in a shaky position, because when people aren't making you happy, you are miserable. A great way to be happy. Laugh. Laughter has an amazing effect on the body, mind and spirit, raising us up when we feel down. Just stop for a minute and remember a really funny incident. It doesn't matter how long ago it happened. Just recall it now and see what you saw, hear what you heard and feel what you were feeling. It should bring back the feeling inside of you of being happy. Now whenever you are down, just recall that memory. Laughter is the best medicine. The only thing in life that will always remain the same is change, and in our life we have the power to make the necessary changes if we want to. Even if we find ourselves in an unbearable situation, we can always find solace in the knowledge that it too will change. Social networks or relationships are important. Nobody likes to feel alone, although you never truly are, but that's a whole other topic. Join groups, dating sites, network groups, whatever it takes to get you socializing. People are different. Accept people for who or what they are, avoid clashes, constant arguments, and let go of all kinds of resentments. If arguments seem unavoidable, do your best to make an effort to understand the situation, see it from your point of view, then their point of view, then see if you can become an outside observer looking at the two of you disagreeing and see it from that point of view. What difference does that make for you? Being grateful is a great attitude. We have so much to be thankful for. Thank the taxi driver for bringing you home safely, thank the cook for a wonderful dinner, and thank the guy who cleans your windows. Express your feelings, affections, friendship, and passion to people around you. They will most likely reciprocate your actions. Avoid holding on to anger or frustrations, this is bad for your health. Instead, find ways of expressing them in a way that will not cause injury or harm to anyone. I love thumping my pillow or screaming really loud into my pillow or somewhere secluded. I find the best medicine for expressing my feelings is writing in a diary. Learning is a joyful exercise. Try and learn something new every day. Learning also makes us expand and broaden our horizons, and could also give us more opportunities in the future. Run, dance, walk, and do other things that your body was made for. Feel alive.